Hello and welcome to today's online learning. Today is Thursday, November 18th. Welcome to class. Reminders, please catch up on your Odysseyware work. Spend a little extra time every day if I have told you that you are behind on catching up to our current location in the Odysseyware curriculum. I have called each parent, I have left voicemails, or talked to each parent. Unless the number was not working, you should have heard from me over the last day or so, telling everyone, and also over Zoom, telling everyone where they're at and how much work they need to catch up on. So please make sure that you're watching announcements every day and that you're working on any missed or skipped assignments that have now been reassigned to you. Um, let's go ahead and take a look. Our Odysseyware assignments for today are context and decoding multisyllable words in language. In math, the second checking addition problems lesson. In science, we're doing a project working on a breakfast chart. And in social studies, again, you're going to continue working on those Michigan geography lessons, which will pop up in your Google Classroom. Okay, so a couple things I want to go over with that. Firstly, let's take a look at how much we should be done with so far in language. So our language quarter one should have a progress of 100%. So all of September and all of October should be completely finished at this time as we are moving into our November curriculum, and we are working on that currently. So all of these first two units should be finished, September and October. So those should say 100%. In math, you should have 100% of your whole numbers unit completed and your number patterns unit completed as we are moving into the whole numbers and fractions unit. And finally, in science, you should have You Grow and Change, plants, animals, and body health all completed at this time. Actually, animals will be the last one that should be at 100%. Body health is what we are working on currently. So these three units here are the ones that you should be completed with at 100%. The other thing I wanted to show and clarify is on Google Classroom for our social studies lessons. Okay, so let's take a look at the classwork. A question that I had recently that I wanted to show and clarify was about our comprehension for lesson 5. Okay, in question 2, there's a bit of a typo. It just says, where is the? That's all it says. So what I wanted to do was clarify to you that this should say, where is the, let's see how well I can write with this, Mackinac Bridge. This is not the best marker tool, but you get the point. Where is the Mackinac Bridge? Okay, so that is what this should say here. And once you get to that question, remember that's what that should say. Okay. All right. So Odysseyware, and the next thing that I wanted to bring up was our PE class link, which will look like this. Now, Miss Meek, your PE teacher, has clarified to me that there is now a calendar set up for this link. So this link will stay the same always. She also has the ability to listen to her directions by clicking this button. Going down has directions. Now, take a look. Each day has a link to something that you should be doing. So once you click on each one, it will take you to what you should be doing for that day. So today is the 19th. So you should be doing activities 1, 2, 3, and 4, and each one will have a link which will take you to what you should be doing for that day. And you can see Miss Meek here, your PE teacher. So this is how you can do PE, and you can actually participate in PE every day. on the calendar by looking at this calendar, and it will be the same link each and every day. All right. So, as you go ahead and read through all of this, um, catching up on Odysseyware, working on PE, and looking at those Odysseyware assignments, let's wrap up by talking about our question of the day. We've been talking about healthy eating this week in our science lessons. So, what I would like you to do today is give me an example of a healthy and delicious breakfast that you would like to eat and send that to me. Okay, everybody. Have a wonderful day. We will see you on Zoom later. Bye bye.